What's going on, everyone? Francis Abogono here today, and in today's video I'm going to be talking about affiliate marketing. I'm going to be explaining the details and everything that revolves around affiliate marketing in general. So if you're new here, my name is Francis Abogono. Like I said, I mostly do entrepreneurship videos, how to make money online, and all those cool tricks and hacks that can help you through your entrepreneurial journey. So if you're new here, hit that subscribe button and tick that bell icon so that you'll be notified of any videos that I release when I release them. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and maybe drop your comments in the comment section down below. I'll be sure to reply your comments and know your concerns about what you think about affiliate marketing. So let's jump right into my computer. I'm going to be showing you a presentation I did on affiliate marketing in general, breaking it down for you step by step so you will know everything that revolves around it. Alright, right here I said what's affiliate marketing and how does it work. This is a beginner's based tutorial. For me, affiliate marketing is a cool business model for online entrepreneurs. If you're looking at making money on the internet, or you're looking at monetizing your website or your blog or your podcast or your YouTube channel and all those stuff, I think affiliate marketing is one great way for you to monetize. Alright, so that's what we're going to be looking at here, or that's what we're going to be talking about here. And once you're good with marketing, I think it's a great step for your business. It's going to help your business a lot, especially online. Everybody's into affiliate marketing. You'll be wondering what affiliate marketing is. You'll be wondering what affiliate marketing is. Affiliate marketing is something that almost everybody on the internet that is into marketing are doing. All big websites, all big small channels on YouTube, big blogs and all that. Everybody is doing affiliate marketing one way or the other, including brand influencers and everybody in the internet realm in general that is into product marketing or service-based marketing. Whichever way, people tend to recommend people to a particular services or product on the internet. So like I said here, it is a great way to monetize your blog or YouTube channel. What is affiliate marketing? Let's take a look at the definition of what affiliate marketing is. To me, I would say it's the best way to start online, and my definition for it, just like I put down here, is selling other people's product for a commission. The commission can be 4% to 10% on physical products on Amazon, or 50 to 80% on some digital products or info products, because some of these info products cost less to create, so you tend to get higher commission rates from the owners of this particular product when they are created. So a brief definition of affiliate marketing on my own perspective is just selling other people's product for a commission. That is how I choose, or that is how I love to define affiliate marketing. Let's look at some of the great benefits of affiliate marketing right here. I put down some benefits like no customers. You don't need a customer to get started with affiliate marketing, because you're just referring people to a product or particular services and getting your commission up there. And another one is no inventory. You don't have to get a warehouse where you keep loads of goods or keep your own products and all that. You're selling other people's products, so you don't need the product to sell. All you need to do is to market other people's product. You don't need an employee. You don't need to employ anyone for the business. You don't need that. You don't need no need of customer service, no headaches, freedom of time and location. A lot of people are looking for time freedom, location freedom, and also financial freedom as well. That's what a lot of people are looking out for, especially those looking on how to make money online. They are looking for how to get a better life and all that, to create time for their families and be able to travel the world and all those good stuff a lot of people out there are looking for. Affiliate marketing also helps you generate money while you sleep. When you're sleeping, sometimes somebody may be watching one of your YouTube videos or maybe reading one of your blog posts, and clicking some of the links you recommend on your blog post and maybe making a purchase. By so doing, you are earning commissions. So even while you sleep, you can earn money from affiliate marketing. That's how it works. And last but not the least is low startup cost. You can start affiliate marketing from free to maybe $10, $100, or $5,000 and above, depending on your budget. You can start affiliate marketing from any stage, even if you have no money at all. The startup cost is very, very little, unlike other businesses that you need big amount of money to get started with. So let's look at the core foundations of affiliate marketing. The core areas of affiliate marketing majorly is referrals. So if you want to just summarize it, or what affiliate marketing is in general, is just referring people to a particular product or a particular service using your own unique link. You'll be given this unique link. This unique link will be attached to your account, depending on the affiliate network you're partnering with. You have a personalized link that whenever somebody make a purchase through your link, you tend to get the commission for that link. It's a custom link for you alone for your account. That is what affiliate marketing is. Now, some people tend to ask this question, especially beginners tend to ask, can you actually make money with affiliate marketing? The answer is yes, you can. And just like I put down here, I'm not sure, let me read this out loud. I'm not sure it's going to make you a millionaire overnight, but I'm sure you can make an extra side income by just doing this. Maybe paying for utility bills, or paying for food, or for gas, and those little side incomes, those little side incomes that can help you in your day-to-day living, or in your day-to-day doings in life, and you can make this a full-time income if you want to pay attention to it. If you want to put a lot of time into it, or put in more work into it, you can make this a full-time income. A lot of people are making a full-time income from affiliate marketing. Just like me, I'm making affiliate marketing like an extra side income because I'm a professional graphic designer. I do brand development and all that. So, and I just want to earn an extra income, that is why I started doing affiliate marketing and all that. Though with time in the future, I'm looking at making it a full business and something that I'm just going to be paying a lot of attention to and earning a living off affiliate marketing. So that is why I'm here making this video, sharing my steps and my journey with you guys, so you can see what I am doing right now and also gain value from it. Another area, then the next is, some people tend to ask if affiliate marketing is a scam. Wow, I know a lot of people think anything that has to do with making money on the internet is a scam. I understand that because of their bad experiences and what they've encountered online before. A lot of people duping them of their money, and I can boldly tell you that it is not a scam. Don't confuse affiliate marketing with multi-level marketing, which is pyramid scheme, or this pyramid scheme where you refer people under you and all that. It's actually not a pyramid scheme. This is real sales companies that have products that you just help them sell the product, or you refer people to their product and you get your own commission from that. So it is not a scam. It is something legit, and it's a pure business. Everybody that wants to earn money online can do and be happy at the end of the day. So let's look at some examples. Yeah, I put an example. Let's check some examples here. Like this website, this lady, her name is Michelle. Yeah, her name is Michelle, if I'm getting it correctly. She have a blog and it's called Making Sense of Scent. Here's her income report for July, where she said she just posted an article where she said how I made $113,235,000 in July 2018 blogging. You can go check that article out. And here's another of her article where she said the income report for June, another one for May, another one for April, another one for March, February, and so on. I think she's averaging about, let's say, $120,000 monthly right now on an average. If we're going to be looking at this article, let's see how she made that money, or how she made that money actually. You can see right here where she said our affiliate total, what she made from affiliate marketing alone, is about $68,675,051. That's what she made from affiliate marketing. Now this is what she was doing. This is what she was affiliating for. She's an affiliate for Bluehost. You can see she made over $42,000. Bluehost is actually a web hosting company where you can get web hosting service for your blog or for your website. She did some stuff for survey company. You can see how much she makes from affiliate marketing. All this loads of money. A lot of people will want this kind of lifestyle, making this kind of money on a monthly basis. It's also cool. I think she makes a full-time living of this because this is way load of cash here. Another example we can be looking at, if you go to Bluehost, you can actually sign up for their affiliate program. When you come down here, if you have people to recommend to for web hosting service and all that, you can sign up for the affiliate right here and maybe refer people. You've been given a custom link where you can refer people through. I like using this particular Instagram account for my YouTube videos. I don't just know because there are lots of beautiful people right here. They post pictures of beautiful ladies, and you can see what they do here. They also have a link to an affiliate product or to a store they have on online, when somebody clicks here or make a purchase, this is how this Instagram account tends to monetize. This can be an affiliate link, or it can be a link to their website, or a link to a particular shop they're advertising online. That is how some people make money with affiliate marketing. You understand? And maybe when they make a post, they tend to tell you to click the link on the bio, to make a purchase of a particular hair product and all that cool stuff. Some people tend to have coupon codes online. Maybe they tell you to go to a particular shop online and use a particular coupon code to make a purchase. And when you make a purchase, maybe you may get 50% or 20% or 10% discount off that purchase. And that person, they're using his or her coupon code, tends to get a commission off that, as long as you're using their affiliate as long as you're using their affiliate coupon, you tend to get the commission of that. So you can take a look at Amazon. Amazon is a great place. It's one of the biggest, the biggest actually. It's the biggest retail store online where a lot of people go to purchase stuff, and a lot of people trust Amazon a lot. So you can sign up for Amazon Associates by coming to the bottom page, this section right here on the footer section, where they say become an affiliate, where it will take you to this page right here, where you can join now. It's free actually. You just join, you advertise, and you earn money from it. And one thing you have to look at before advertising any product or going into a particular niche online, you have to pick a particular niche that you're interested in, or you can drive traffic to online before you get started with affiliate marketing. You understand? You before starting out with Amazon, if you want to go with Amazon, you have to check out their rates, their percentage rates, how much they tend to give for, or how much they offer for product you promote for them. When you tend to promote gift cards for them, the percentage is 0. You get nothing from doing that. Video games is about $1. Television is about 2%. Sorry, video games actually 1%, not dollars. Television is around 2%. Physical books around 4.5%. It's just really little, because imagine getting 4.5% from a book they sell for $10. That is really, really small. Digital music about 5%. Outdoor tools 5.50%. Amazon fashion, women, kids wear, fashion stuff's around 10%. You have to check this out before you get started, so you will actually know what you're doing. You don't just refer people to a particular product or just jump into any niche you just choose to. Also on YouTube, a lot of people are doing this as well. Like if you check this YouTuber, Mackie Brownlee, he has over 6.6 million subscribers, and he tends to review tech gadgets like iPhones and other stuff. And sometimes he usually put an affiliate link beneath his and sometimes he mostly put affiliate links on the description of his videos. Just like here, he's saying tech I'm using right now. When you click here, it takes you to Amazon, where you see maybe a shop he owns on Amazon, and when you make a purchase, it tends to make money from that. That is how he monetizes his stuff or his videos online. It may actually be a shop. This link right here can either be for his shop, or it can also be an affiliate link, or it can be a link where you can go to purchase an iPhone X. Nightstar is also doing this. He's also a big YouTuber with over 10 million subscribers. And other people on Instagram are doing this same thing. Driving traffic or monetizing one way or the other using affiliate marketing. Now you can sign up for any of these affiliate programs on the internet, either Amazon, Bluehost, JVZoo, or Commission Junction. There are lots of them out there you can get started with and start making money for yourself. And I want you to have this in mind that marketing in general is a numbers game. The amount of traffic you tend to bring in matters a lot to your business. Let's take, for example, you have an affiliate product you are promoting on the internet, and you'll be giving 50% commission off that. When you tend to bring about 1,000 people to that affiliate product and 5% tends to convert, let's say the product worth about $100 and above, getting 50% of that can get you started. You're already making money from doing that. So one big thing I'm going to advise you right here is to take action, guys. Take action in whatever you're doing. Get more knowledge on affiliate marketing. You can watch some of my YouTube videos. I'm going to be recommending some of the videos on the description, some of the ones I've done before. You can watch some of those videos to get started with affiliate marketing. If you like this video, share this video with your friends. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tick that bell notification icon so that you'll be notified of any videos that I release when I release them. And once again, my name is Francis Abogonye. I'll be seeing you next time. Bye bye.